Ladies and gentlemen, my video is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser pop-ups and fake Chrome update alerts that come from the website Operateoverlydevelopedtheproduct.vip. Operateoverlydevelopedtheproduct.vip is a dangerous and deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This website tries to trick you into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. Currently, the extension that is promoted is called Cinemate, and by the way, we have made the specific video about this extension and removing it. But in some other cases, these pop-ups by Operateoverlydevelopedtheproduct.vip may display some other pop-ups and may promote some other extensions. In general, these pop-ups use very deceptive statements mentioning that you need to install some recommended update or some ad blocker. But in reality, these extensions may function as adware by showing a lot of ads not related to the sites that you visit. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you to be very careful not to install any of such third-party extensions. And if these extensions were mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, make sure you get rid of them immediately. Now I'll explain to you how to remove such third-party extensions in case they were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome. So access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. Once again, menu, More Tools, Extensions. So if you find any extensions here that are not familiar to you, be sure to remove them from the Google Chrome browser. To make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Using this green download button, install the program and begin carefully researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.